This is video 2 of Shores Hill Garden Railway. And this is a shot from Bella Pass. If we walk down the line a little bit, around by the water container, and then we're looking down towards Toad Bridge and Apple Tree Corner. Then if we follow the line in the other direction, crossing over the garden path and heading up towards Meadows Tunnel, and this is Meadows. Now you can see the line splits here. This line goes round the back of the strawberrium and joins up just down there. And there's another line which comes around the back of the strawberrium and joins up here. And there's going to be another set of points which come off of there and go into the station, which is here, meaning that you can run trains round in any direction. And this is known as Strawberry Junction. Now if we look back down to Meadows, there's the view down Meadows. It's looking a little bit overgrown at the moment, but there's been a lot of rain. And there's the view down through Meadows Tunnel towards Toad's Bridge. Just to give you some idea of the scale, I've placed my cup of tea next to some rolling stock. Crossing back along the path, the track will eventually follow past Bright's Corner and along by Big Stone and through the back of Black Cat Woods, through here, and then it climbs over a viaduct here and then continues up the edge of the garden along here, and this is known as Bottlebrush Valley. And here we go, we're back at the station now. Thank you for watching my video of Shores Hill Railway. Hopefully we'll have some trains running soon. Please subscribe and share.